PMD warns prevalence of extremely hot and humid weather in southern parts during next 2 days. Karachi went through another day of excessive heat as the mercury soared to 39.5 degrees Celsius with 37% humidity on Thursday, a day after the port city suffered the hottest day of the year with the temperature recorded at 41.5 degrees Celsius. It was the first time this summer the Sindh capital logged mercury exceeding 40 degrees Celsius in the span of 10 days. The metropolis recorded at 40.2 degrees Celsius on 19 May, which was the highest temperature on record during those safar do char so far. It is noteworthy to mention here that Karachi had recorded the highest ever temperature at 48 degrees Celsius on 9 May and is Saurtis. The Pakistan Meteorological Department (PMD) issued a warning regarding the prevalence of extremely hot and humid weather in southern parts of the country in the next 2 days. Continental air is prevailing over most parts of the country while a shallow westerly wave is also present over northern parts of the country, the PMD stated in its daily weather update. It forecast mainly hot weather is expected in most areas of country. However, rain thunderstorm is likely at isolated places in Gilgit-Baltistan and Kashmir. The weather forecast department added that on Friday, mainly hot weather is expected in most areas of the country, while very hot with dust-raising winds, gusty winds are likely in southern parts. However, rain thunderstorm is expected at isolated places in Gilgit-Baltistan, GB, and Kashmir, while windstorm, gusty winds with isolated rain thunderstorms may occur in Upper Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KP, Pothohar region and northeast Punjab. According to the data, highest maximum temperature was recorded at 51 degrees Celsius in Jacobabad, 50 degrees Celsius in Lasbala, 49 degrees Celsius in Dadu, Sibi, Tabat, Mohenjo-Daro, 48 degrees Celsius in Kharpur, Larkana, Bahawalnagar, 47 degrees Celsius in Hyderabad, Kasur, Rahimyar Khan, Sukkur, Bahawalpur, Baka, Joharabad, Khanewal, Mandi Bahauddin, Okara, Padidan, Rori and Nurpur Thal.